Hey, buddy. Guess what we got today?
What?
We got a box from
Thailand.
Universal Yums.
Oh.
Do you know what that is?
Nope.
So basically,
Careful shaking the table.
So basically what this is we get a box that's going to come to our house. And once we can figure out how to open it. And basically every box is going to be full of snacks from other countries.
Wow.
Yeah. So where do you think we picked our first box from?
Thailand.
We did. Good job. Thailand. Why did we pick Thailand?
Because we had delicious food there.
Yep, we got Todd and Sassy over there from Thailand. So they were able to, we wanted to try some of their snacks and see what they were like so we could let them know what we tried. Sound cool?
Yep.
All right, so let's see what we got first. And I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. You want to try pronouncing?
Napa.
So this is the first one. It is in salt and sour. So this should be interesting. It has a lemon and a salt shaker. You ready to try this?
Sure.
What are these? Oh, these are chips. Okay. Here we'll try them together. You ready?
Yeah, at the same time.
Are you ready? So salt and sour. No? We'll put those to the side for a little later on. You didn't like those?
Nope.
Alright. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, you might have to pass on these. These look like they're hot. You probably can't do hot stuff.
Yeah.
But I'm looking forward to trying this. So these are Devil chips. Let me try one?
Yeah. But I'm not doing it. I need.
Woo! Whoa.
Oh. Are they hot?
A little bit.
I want to try it.
They're not as hot as I thought they were going to be, though. Well. It's weird. It's almost like a hot curry kind of taste. That's crazy.
But
Save these for later.
I don't want any.
All right, here. Let's move over to something sweet.
Yeah.
Woo.
But that wasn't my water.
Oh. So Glendy coconut chips.
Yep.
Sea salt caramel flavor.
Is that candy?
You try it?
Yeah, I want to try it. Just don't touch mine. Don't touch. You can touch yours, but don't touch mine, okay?
Okay.
I'll touch mine.
So these are coconut chips.
Yeah.
Those are good, right?
Yeah. I'll have these every single day.
I can do with that. Going for seconds. All right. Put these over here.
Yeah, for every single day. What is that?
So this is going to be interesting. I don't know if y'all can see that from there. Sea Roll Farm. Fried shrimp with salad cream flavor.
I'll try it. Don't pick mine out because you have like hot stuff. Ew.
Here, I'll break a piece off for you.
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready? Is it good?
You probably don't like it because you hate sour cream, right?
So it's weird. It's like
Really?
It's like a pork rind that tastes like shrimp. It's wrapped in seaweed. Uh, it's actually wrapped in seaweed.
Real?
Mm-hmm.
I thought that was chocolate.
No.
Where am I going to put my piece? I'm not going to
You're not going to eat it?
No.
No, put it over here. Okay.
I could have more of the dessert. Is that dessert? Still?
All right, this has to be microwaved, so we'll save this for another time. This is Napa sticky rice with coconut cream and mango. So we'll have to do that a little bit later because you got to heat that up in the microwave.
Yeah, we're gonna do that for a YouTube video later. But probably when.
All right, so this is called the Yum Bag. I guess this is a mix of different candies, maybe.
Maybe.
Hold on.
I'll have this.
Let's take a look and see what this is. Banana Chews Orchard. So we got these things.
Yeah.
What is that? This is corn flavored candy.
Corn?
This is
Okay, I'm having this one.
pineapple.
Okay, I'm having the pineapple one too.
You having the pineapple? Chop pineapple with you.
Ugh. It's like a pineapple, but it looks like a pineapple, but actually candy.
Mmm. Mmm.
Kind of sour, but it's good.
That's good.
Candy, kind of sour, but it's good.
That's tasty.
Yeah.
Mm. We'll save these for later.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Those pineapple ones are really good.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh, this is going to be your favorite probably.
What?
So I have no what this is. Salty lime gummy candies. These are gummies. Oh, wow. I knew this would probably get you. Oh,
Don't grab mine. No, I'm getting my own.
No. You get one, and we're going to try it out. All right, you ready?
I love gummies.
All right, we'll save those for later. Those are good. I got to get the salt in the after end. Not too sweet, right?
No, it's not too sweet.
But it had a good flavor to it. Those are really good.
Yeah. So Thailand really has some good desserts.
Yeah, they're not bad so far, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, this looks good. This kind of almost looks like a... It looks like a baklava, but it's not a baklava. This is,
Looks like there's ice cream in it.
it is honey toasted flavored cream wafers.
Ooh, that sounds good.
That sounds interesting,
I love
right?
wafers. I love them.
Go and grab one.
These are good.
Oh, those are good. Those are actually better than like the vanilla wafers, sugar wafers that we have here. I think these are actually better. They're not as sweet, right? It still has good flavor to it.
Yeah.
It's good.
These are good.
All right. Thai coconut roll with natural banana.
Ooh. But it's not.
Interesting.
But it's not natural strawberry.
Yeah, I know. It's good because you're allergic to strawberries. You can't have those.
Yeah, make my butt red.
You're silly. All right, grab one.
These are good.
Oh, so they're empty in the middle. Oh, kind of like those other coconut rolls that we get from Aldi.
Oh, I got fingers.
It's almost like a cereal, right? Interesting. All right. Last but not least. Oh. Sweet and spicy fried potato snack.
And this one's the last one, and then we're gonna say which one was the better.
You want to do that? Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see.
And worst. And which one's the worst one?
All right, put your hand up. Oh.
Yo, what are these?
Sweet and spicy. Those are actually good.
Yeah,
Kind of tastes like Chex Mix.
I don't really taste spicy.
I mean, a little bit, not a whole lot. All right.
I'll have a little bit more.
So we have. These are like on the spicy side. This is also a chip, not really spicy, but on the salty side. And I already know which one's going to be Jackson's favorite. Here's the gummies.
Yeah, these were my favorite. I'm going to have one more.
And then we had some coconut chips. Fried shrimp.
That's the worst one. I have one more gummy.
And then we had our Yum Yum bag that had our little candies in there.
Yeah, these are my favorite. So let's put these on my side.
All right, so which one do you think is your favorite? And we didn't get to try. Oh. And then we also had these rolls.
Yeah,
And we haven't had a chance to try the sticky rice yet. We'll try that here in a little while, though.
Yeah, these are my favorite so far.
Which ones?
These sides are my favorite.
So you liked the gummy,
And
gummy lime salt. Oh, I forgot about those two. Oh, we got to put them over here so everybody can see them. And these wafers were actually really good, too.
Yeah. I like those and those and those.
But
And
overall,
and these.
that was a pretty cool little snack pack. We got to see what it was like to taste some things from another country, right?
Yep.
Isn't that cool?
And these were good.
Mm-hmm. Those were really good. So now we'll have to take these over to Todd and Sassy's and let them try some and see what they think.
Wait, they're try some?
Sure.
All
All right. So you said you're going to have another wafer? All right. So here's our box from Thailand.
Yep.
And we're going to have another box that's going to be coming next month. Not a bad deal. And get to teach Jackson a little bit about different countries and cultures and let him try food from other places.
Yeah, and we had a video where I was riding a bike with no training wheels. So.
Yeah, but we had that one on there too. And so we're gonna do another video next month when we get our snack pack from another country. We'll figure out where that country's coming from.
And we'll maybe get a Kentucky one.
Well, we can get Kentucky ones at the store. All right.
I didn't.
All right, we'll see y'all next time.